Hello, today I will talk about LoadRunner. Introduction to LoadRunner. What is LoadRunner? LoadRunner is a powerful performance testing tool designed to evaluate how a software application behaves under load. Developed by Micro Focus, it is widely regarded as the industry standard for load testing and performance analysis. Key objectives are simulate real-world user traffic on applications, identify performance bottlenecks before deployment, ensure software reliability during peak usage periods. Historical background. Initial release. LoadRunner was first introduced in the early 1990s. Acquisitions. Originally developed by Mercury Interactive, it was acquired by HP and later by Micro Focus. Components of LoadRunner. First one, VuGen, Virtual User Generator. Use it for scripting and recording user interactions. Second one is controller. Manage and executes load test scenarios. Third one is load generators. Simulate user load on applications. Fourth one is analysis module. Provides detailed performance metrics and reports. Why is LoadRunner important? Supports a wide range of protocols and technologies. Helps ensure the stability and scalability of critical applications. Reduces risk of poor user experience and downtime. Key features of LoadRunner. Firstly, protocol support. LoadRunner supports a vast array of protocols to ensure compatibility with different applications, including web, HTTP, HTTPS, and WebSockets, API testing, REST and SOAP, enterprise systems, SAP and Oracle, other protocols, Citrix database, and more. Scalability simulates thousands of virtual users to replicate real-world scenarios. Handles diverse and complex load testing environments. Metrics and analysis. Provides detailed performance insights such as response times, throughput, resource utilization like CPU, memory, network usage. Scripting with VuGen. Create custom scripts using the C language. Record and enhance user interaction scenarios. Supports parameterization and correlation for realistic testing. Integration capabilities. Seamlessly integrates with CI/CD tools, Jenkins, Docker, cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. User-friendly reporting. Generates comprehensive reports for performance analysis. Provides actionable insights to optimize system performance. Benefits of using LoadRunner. Ensures application reliability. Simulates realistic user traffic to test application performance under expected and peak loads. Reduces the risk of system failures or downtime during critical operations. Early identification of bottlenecks. Detect performance issues before deployment. Helps developers and stakeholders address scalability challenges proactively. Cost-effective performance testing. Minimizes the need for large-scale infrastructure for testing. Saves cost associated with the post-deployment fixes and downtime. Supports diverse applications. Provides performance testing solutions for web, mobile, cloud, and enterprise applications. Adapts to various technology stacks and industry requirements. Detailed reporting and insights. Offers actionable data on response time, system throughput, and resource utilization. Facilitates informed decision making for performance optimization. Streamlined integration. Compatible with modern development pipelines like CI/CD. Enhance agility and efficiency in performance testing workflows. LoadRunner use cases. Web applications. Evaluate the scalability of e-commerce websites during high traffic events such as sales or product launches. Identify potential performance issues affecting website responsiveness and user experience. Mobile applications. Measure the performance and responsiveness of mobile apps under simultaneous user loads. Validate the stability of apps during heavy usage scenarios. such as new feature alerts or promotions. Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems test the performance of ERP applications like SAP, Oracle, or Microsoft Dynamics during routine and peak operational demands. Ensure that backend system can handle the required load without degradation in performance. Cloud-based applications simulate user load on cloud-based solutions to ensure seamless scalability and reliability. Validate the ability to dynamically allocate resources in cloud environments to meet performance requirements. API performance testing. Assess the responsiveness and throughput of APIs under heavy load. Validate integration points and data transfer reliability between systems. Banking and financial systems. Ensure the performance of online banking platforms during critical periods like tax season or market surges. Test transaction-heavy systems to maintain operational efficiency and security under high load. LoadRunner workflow. Step 1 is planning. Define clear objectives for performance testing. What are the performance benchmarks? What load scenarios need to be simulated? Identify critical business processes and applications components to test. Determine the necessary infrastructure and tools required for the test. Step 2 is scripting. Use Vugen to record user actions and interactions with the application. Parameterize scripts to introduce dynamic data, like different usernames and inputs. Correlate data to handle dynamic server values, like session IDs. Enhance scripts with error handling and verification steps. Step 3 is load test design. Configure scenarios in the controller to simulate real-world user behavior, number of users, duration of the test, ramp up and ramp down times. Define load distribution across various application components or regions. Step 4 is execution. Deploy load generators to simulate virtual users and apply load on the application. Monitor application performance in real time using built-in dashboards. Collect performance data including response times, throughput, and resource usage. Step 5 is analysis. Use the analysis module to process test results and generate comprehensive reports. Identify key performance metrics, average and peak response times, errors or failed transactions, resource bottlenecks like CPU, memory, disk I/O. Provide actionable insights for optimization and retesting. Step 6. Optimization. Collaborate with development and operations teams to address identified bottlenecks. Retest after applying fixes to validate improvements. Iterate the process to achieve desired performance benchmarks. Conclusion. Powerful performance testing tool. LoadRunner helps simulate user activity to evaluate the performance and scalability of applications under various load conditions. Comprehensive test coverage. It supports a wide range of protocols, making it versatile for testing web applications, database, and more. Identifies bottlenecks early. Helps pinpoint performance issues and bottlenecks in the system, allowing for faster issue resolution. Scalability and flexibility. With the ability to simulate thousands of users, it helps organizations scale their applications efficiently. Integrates with CI/CD. Supports continuous testing as part of DevOps pipelines, ensuring performance is tested regularly throughout the development cycle. Here I will show you how to do execution in controller. There are two types of scenarios in LoadRunner. First, menu scenario. Second, goal-oriented scenario. In this picture, select type of scenario to design. From the left panel, select script you want to upload and click on Add button, then click OK. Here, set up users. From global schedule panel, select number of users for your load test and select ramp up time for users. Here. Here we can set the duration for our tests. In this picture, set ramp down duration for users to come out. Here, add load generators based on your requirement. For each LG, add counters for each server for monitoring the client-server side metrics. In runtime settings, you can set up different runtime to emulate user activity. Number of iterations, which states each user behavior for making a round trip. In pacing section, time gap between two iterations. Change it according to your workload model. Think time section, set it according to your real-time behavior. It's based on your requirements. Miscellaneous, by default select run user as thread, can be changed based on protocol type we choose. In browser section, browser emulation, on which browser you want to run your application. And network section, for simulating the speed. In proxy section, no proxy connects directly to the servers. Preferences, enable image and text checks for page verification checkpoints load images. Here HTTP section, change HTTP request, connect, receive, keep alive timeout as follows. In general section, step download timeout, change ACC to requirements. After designing the scenario, click on Run tab and then click on Start Scenario, like this. Thank you for listening to me.